Hi, David. How are you today? I'm Mike. I am good. How is your day? My day is going well. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. That's great. What do you do after waking up? I brush my teeth and drink water. That's a healthy habit. What do you do next? I do exercise for 30 minutes. Exercise makes you strong and active. Yes, it makes me feel fresh. What do you do after that? I take a shower and get ready. Do you eat breakfast? Yes, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. What do you eat? I eat simple food and drink tea. That sounds good. What do you do after breakfast? I go to college and attend classes. What do you do in the evening? I come home and take some rest. Do you study at night? Yes, I study and practice English. That's amazing. Practice improves your confidence. Yes, I want to speak English fluently. What time do you sleep? I sleep at 10:30 p.m.